There are a lot of people saying that TikTok does not share an education kind of content to their users. So they have this new option to enable STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and maths, inside their app itself. So instead of doom scrolling, you can see those educational programs. I'm going to show you how you can enable it, or if you don't like it, you can turn it off as well. So I'm going to show you where you can do this. But before I show you this, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight to my phone and let me show you how you can turn on or turn off the STEM option on your TikTok app. Let's go. First of all, open up your TikTok app. Let me show you what does the STEM looks like. So just go to home. Alright, and then you can see on top there, there's live, STEM, explore, following, friends for you, right? Click on STEM.
Will show up on your MCAT, so spend 90 seconds
Okay.
to learn it with me now. And that is a very high
Alright, immediately you will see that it will show posts about science, like this is in hydrostatic pressure, okay? Instead of seeing non-related content, you get to see content related to STEM, okay? So how do you turn it on? Or if you want to turn it off, okay, totally up to you. Go to profile, click on the three lines, click on settings and privacy, scroll down, click on content preferences, see your STEM feed. Can you see that? STEM feed, click on that. So you can give science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. You can turn off. Alright. If you turn off, then you won't be there anymore. Okay. Or you can turn on. I would prefer to turn it on just in case one day I just feel like seeing this education-based content. I can just turn it on and have a look. So this is a good way for you to, instead of just do scrolling, you can learn something as well. So you can turn this on. Alright. Hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.